What a switch, I'm gonna pick piano, yeah?
I know, I'm hungry for tacos.
Good thing I got no more dress on, yeah? I have the words here, okay? Yes.
I got it too.
You got it too?
A long time ago, Melveen dragged me out to Portlock, and we did a show out there. And she played this song for me, and I hadn't heard it in years, because it was one of my mother's favorite songs. And so it's called He. So Melveen said she would play it for me, and she's playing it today in front of all you folks. So embarrassing. I'm so embarrassed, yeah. Tell me when you're ready. She's got pearls, and she plays piano, and she does salsa. What else you can ask for? Come on, ready. Let me have a Melveen. Listen to the words, now look at my stomach. He can turn the tides and calm the angry sea. He alone decides who writes the symphony. He lights every star that makes our darkness bright. He keeps watch all through each long and lonely piano song. Sorry. He still finds the time to hear a child's first prayer. The book inside. Saint or sinner call, this is one deep disaster. Though it makes him sad to see the way we live, he'll always say, it's too high, we should sing something that we know.
He can grant a wish or make a dream come true. He can paint the clouds and turn the gray. Is key too low?
Too low.
Where do I get him?
I like artichokes. You like artichokes?
He can and I don't care how I'm playing this piano.
This is Italia.
Rehearsal tomorrow,
And we're going to Zippy's to get some big luncheon. And though it makes him sad